after a long, stressful day, imagine walking into a home that instantly melts all your tension away. Soft lighting, layered textures, and peaceful vibes that make you exhale deeply. Today on Silken Days, we're touring this relaxing aesthetic home designed for ultimate calm. Hi friends, welcome to Silken Days, where we create serene, everyday luxury on a budget. This neutral, cozy aesthetic is perfect for busy Americans craving peace after work, school runs, or commutes. We'll cover layers that make any space feel expensive yet welcoming, no major renos needed. Start here. Layer soft textiles, think chunky knit throws and velvet pillows in warm neutrals. Add ambient lighting with floor lamps and candles. This setup turns your living room into a sanctuary where you can unwind with tea or a book after a hectic day. Even your kitchen can feel peaceful. Opt for warm wood tones, open shelving with curated dishware, and soft overhead lighting, perfect for slow mornings or evening wind-down meals. These small changes make cooking feel like self-care. Your bedroom should be a reset button. High quality bedding and soft tones, blackout elements for better sleep, and subtle scents via diffusion. This space helps you leave the day's chaos behind. Essential for Americans juggling work-life balance. No matter your space size or budget, these tips work. Thrift stores, Amazon basics, and layering. Focus on what makes you feel peaceful. Soft colors, natural elements, and decluttered surfaces. Which room inspired you most? Comment below and tell me your biggest cozy goal for 2026. Like, if this gave you peace vibes. Subscribe to Silken Days for more relaxing home tours and aesthetic decor ideas. Turn on notifications so you never miss a calm moment. Links to products and playlists in description. Thanks for watching. Now go create your peaceful sanctuary.